Let me something to them, man. Yo, one and one.
That is it, you know. Oh, there again, people. Guess what I go on? I'll go for the rest of them, you see me? Because one next Rami on the day now, we want him.
I want to do this small one and raise them.
Yeah, we raise them. Yeah. Yes, people, so I'm telling you how I go on the rest. You see, and the other one, them, we raise them, guys, you see it? I'm telling you something, you see, the amount of wild goat in the bush, we can't do them. You see me? Multiply, they multiply, you see me? And I whole heap of them people, you see it?
I remember saying no man not to hunt them.
Nobody not hunt them, you see me?
You know, I go on the hunt. I go hunt some goat. Yeah man, the first YouTuber in Jamaica ever go hunt a wild goat. You see me? Yeah man, short man not the boat. But you don't know, bless up yourself, short man. Marlon, bless up yourself, same. You don't know a thing said. You see me? Peeps, just go and like up the video. Subscribe, share and like. Yeah man.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
What's happening, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. This day, this morning, happy Saturday to each and every one of you. You know me done, I go tell you, say, no want to know. Alright, I hope you not feel no pain. Go at it, if you don't feel any pain, go at the doctor, check the doctor, call the doctor. Make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you don't have none, no worry yourself. We go call every single one of your family members and come over. Granny too, granny-in-law, uncle-in-law, everybody. Guys, wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do your wellness check because, you know, mental health crisis is not a joke. It's a serious thing. Guys, a weekend, Saturday, are your birthday? Go out and have a nice birthday. Enjoy yourself. If you drink, don't drive. And if you drink and not have no drive, take a taxi. When you take the taxi, take a picture of the license plate, picture of the vehicle. If you can, take a picture of the driver, send it to your family member or somebody. So that's if in case something should go wrong with you. Hopefully none of that will happen. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. Enough respect for one who tell me the message one who send. And me just want to do the right thing and make the video them show no what I go and talk to them about. Everything where me can talk to them about. However, guys, I saw a couple of videos. And the couple of videos where me see is kind of disturbing and troubling to me, knowing how I think. And the reason why it's troubling is in this video I go explain how cruel, how vicious, how covetous, how damning, how dangerous people can be to others. What me go talk about this morning, you see the thumbnail, is this gentleman named Kevian. I saw me pronounce it Kevian. Yes, Kevian Lifestyle. Rumor have it that Kevian Lifestyle thief goat. When me see the videos then, me see a couple of videos, and me say, okay, let me check out a couple things because me know that I saw a couple videos with this goat thing already. So me said to myself, say, you know what? Me go listen to where the video them say, and me go listen to where Kevian Lifestyle say. And Kevian Lifestyle explained his part of this whole thing. He even say nobody no come to claim the goat them, no police no come, and him have the goat them, and if somebody come, you know, claim the goat them, you know. But guys, after me really retract and look back, me realize and notice other people do the same thing like what Kevian do. However, you never hear a person or see a person post a video that them steal the goat or steal any goat. However, look how dangerous this is. Just because Kevian Lifestyle work with Color Smith. Listen to what I'm saying. Just because Kevian Lifestyle work pan Color Smith house and was around Color Smith, his name is now mixed up in thief in a goat. And the reason why I say that is simply this. Junior Spearfishing Lifestyle did go look goat up in a hills, because there is wild goat in a Jamaica. There is wild deer in a Jamaica. There is wild pigs in a Jamaica. So Junior Spearfishing have done the same thing. Raj and his crew have done the same thing. But you have never seen a person come out and make a video stating that those people was stealing people goat. But now you see people come out with doing videos about Kevian Lifestyle thieving people goat. The only reason why you see that them videos is because Kevian Lifestyle works with Color Smith, or used to work with Color Smith. Now, what a vicious move. What a dangerous move on this Kevian individual. Nobody have ever make another video about any other person who went goat hunting. Hold on a little bit, guys. Watch this video. Watch this video. I'll go move over this side and you watch this video. Watch it.
Catching into ya? Eh? Yes, my beautiful peeps. There? Yeah, man. Look at that. Huh? We are the first YouTuber to catch wild goat in our hill. Yeah, man. You know how far we there, beautiful peeps. Yeah, man.
So them hold of them place.
Oh, now what
One catch. One catch. One get catch. Nice one get catch. This one get catch. No gun. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, man. Nice pretty one. Come on, get caught. Yeah, man. Nice. Hey. Where is that?
Rabbit goat, look on him, a crossbreed.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let me see. Long time. Yo, take careful, you know.
Yeah, man, careful, man. Javel, watch out careful now, guys.
Ako isa nung no worries, man.
Jangan aku panik. Gus.
Wait, man, pa na. Anyway,
Jabe, putih pat ko ba na.
Yung jump pa.
Wala.
Ako fee, man. Guna ko today.
Black out. Hey, be yourself. Just stay over the side and tell us a goat them.
This goat get a good.
So I want to show me, guys.
Kill.
It's not the first person in a Jamaica who go and catch wild goat. It's not the first. Guys, let me explain something to you about wild animal. All you need is one animal to stray. And if that animal stray gone in the bushes, they're going to meet up an other animal in the bushes. And they're going to make connection, and they're going to have baby goats, baby pig, baby deer. I wish and hope that our content creators would at least use your mind, use your brains before making videos. At least think about that other person livelihood before making videos. Because nobody make a video about Raj and the crew that went goat hunting. Nobody make a video about Junior spearfishing, went goat hunting. Nobody make any videos about those guys stealing any goat. No, because all they was doing was goat hunting because there was wild goat, wild pig, wild everything up in the hills and the valley and in a bush. But just because this gentleman works with color cement, his name will and is going to drag in the mud. It's not him, you know. Listen to the main point about this thing. It's not him, but because he works with color cement, his name is going to be dragged in the mud just because he have videos catching wild goats. You imagine? He have videos catching wild goat and somebody believe that they should use that and say him thief the goat. Thief the goat. It is sad when a person can put the name thief, the word thief by your name, not knowing the real information, because the real information is out there. However, likes, clicks, money will make a person make a video of saying anything out of their mouth. The importance, listen this word, the importantness of them making money, getting likes, getting clicks is more important than putting the word thief on an individual name. How wicked that can be, how bad that can be, knowingly that other people have done it. Other people have done it. However, one time or this time you see this guy do the thing, not one time, because I think he do it more than one time. But just because he works with color cement, his name will be dragged in the mud because he works with color cement. So that means, oh yeah, color cement have a thief I work with him. Viewers and subscribers, to be honest with you, that's the reason why we have travel with Zoe in a Jamaica. I get all the likes and all the loves and all those things. Because as a Jamaican, our own will tear us down to the ground that we walk on. Our own don't want to see us move forward. I don't want to see us do nothing. But this situation is really messed up. I won't say what other word up, but it really messed up because other people have done the same thing on YouTube in a Jamaica, never get called a thief, allegedly. You never yet called a thief. But again, guys, right now it's alleged. because nobody know if he steal anything. So right now, they should be saying it's alleged. The viewers and subscribers, it's sad and it's a shame to see that because this man, because that's the only reason. That's the only reason why them a do this to this man. Because he work with Color Smith. Yeah, I think him and the one who fix up the bar. The bar. Yeah, I think him a work on that. But it not look good. It not sound good and it not feel good to know that this man is getting chastised because he works with Color Smith from Color Smith Place. And him catch some wild goat. Viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I will be back with more information, more news, more of every little thing. I will give you it in a my way and I may see it. In other words, I say alright, peace and love, enough respect. Go and watch the videos them, like them, share them, comment on them. Until next time, I'm out. Bye bye.